Hi, this is John. I just wanted to show you a little bit about this soil situation that we're starting out on here. So as you can see, it's a pretty grassy area. It's a kind of Eragrostis, I think. I need to check the actual species of this, but it's quite widespread here. It's flowered, and when you look down in the sward, there's not a lot of ground cover here. You can see there's a lot of bare ground, but you can see the soil is sandy with a sort of dark colored top. Now, interestingly, there are these legumes which I need to find out what they are. There seems to be two kinds. There's this one, and then over here, this one. And these are quite widespread in here. Then there's this forb here, which is also quite widely spaced here. And then there's some odd trees that have started to regrow in this environment. Now, if we look at the soil, I'm just going to dig down a little bit so you can see the profile. This is one section that I've just taken, and I hope you can see clearly. It's very sandy. It's a medium grain sand. A lot of roots in here, which is nice to see, which are there to bind the soil together. And this top layer here is not so dark, but let me show you another place where it's a little bit darker. Now in here, I think you can see you've got this dark layer here going then to the lighter under soil or the topsoil. So this top layer here is dark because of the high organic matter there that has accumulated over the years. I think this field was burnt this last season, because you can see on here these stems from last year are blackened. So I think this was burnt, and what we see in the grass is regrowth. Again, over here you can see these remnant stalks from last season, which were dry and then burnt. So some of this darkness could have been this, the fallout from the fire that's come down onto the surface of the soil. So the organic matter is very thin layer at the top, maybe 1 or 2 centimeters at the most, or slightly lighter, under topsoil, which would have a much lower organic matter content. But again, there are roots in here, which is pleasing to see, holding the soil together. So that's what we're going to come and plant into.
So thanks for watching. Cheers.